Hello, boys and girls. I am Josh at Random, and here's a bedtime story for Halloween. It's called Goodnight Little Monsters by Kara LaReau, illustrated by Brian Wan. Good night, Frankenbaby. Lay down your green head. Let's loosen your bolts and tuck you in bed. Good night, precious zombie. Enjoy your last snack. Know that we love you through the gloom and back. Good night, dear vampire. Take one final sip. Please brush your fangs well and try not to drip. Good night, my Loch Nessie. We'll swim when we wake. Now let's snuggle close in the deep, cool lake. Good night, mummy honey. Let's wrap you up tight. It's one bed tomb story, then off with the light. Good night, darling wolf boy. You'll drift to sleep soon. I'll howl you a lullaby under the moon. Good night, little Bigfoot. Rest is what you crave. Sweet dreams of dark forests and welcoming caves. Good night, gleeful goblins. Let's settle your bones. Know how much we love you. You're never alone. Good night, little monsters. Wherever you creep, you'll make mischief tomorrow. And now it's time to sleep. The end. Have a great night, everyone. Rest well.